Photoshop grain effect. Make your image look vintage and old school retro. Drag the image that you want to use in Adobe Photoshop. Drag in a film grain effect or a photo. Adjust the image. Click normal. Click linear add dodge. Add in another film effect. Adjust the image. Click normal. Linear dodge add. You can change the opacity to 50%. Click on the subject image, click image, adjustments, and desaturate. If you don't have this option, you right click on your image and click rasterize layer. While the image is still selected, filter, noise, add noise. 6% looks good. Filter, sharpen, unsharpen mask, and click OK. This is the before, and this is the after image. Check out the playlist for more videos, and subscribe to the channel with all post notifications.